industry is the Kenmore Elite pet-friendly upright. Dirt and debris are no match for the beltless inducer motor, which is 20% more powerful than conventional Kenmore uprights. The power flow design helps airflow evenly as the bag fills for optimal power and performance. So you have the power you need to get the job done. From plush carpet to hardwood, the Kenmore upright has a 5-position height adjustment for varying floor surfaces. An infrared dirt sensor sees dirt that you don't by activating an LED, so you know when the floors are clean. The Kenmore upright has also been certified by the Asthma and Allergy Foundation of America. The HEPA media filtration traps dust, dander, and pollen while capturing 99.97% of irritants as small as 0.3 micron, so exhaust air is cleaner. Kenmore's HEPA-certified cloth bags add another layer of filtration, so cleanup is virtually dust-free. A telescoping wand and attachments tackle all the hard-to-reach areas in your home. And the Pet Handymate easily lifts away stubborn pet hair. The #1 rated Kenmore pet-friendly upright vacuum. Kenmore, be amazing.
Snap your fingers and I'm on the scene.